Got a video here showing mostly the construction method that I've used for the two-wire reversible beverage here at VE6WZ. The basic circuit layout is in the ON4UN low band DXing book in Chapter 7 of the new edition. Much documentation on the internet for this, consisting of the two matching transformers and the reflection transformer at the termination end of the two-wire reversible beverage. In this case, we're using field telephone wire for the two-wire antenna and Cat5 to feed it, and consequently have slightly different matching transformers constructed than what are shown in the ON4UN book, where they're using coax for a feed. But again, mostly it's a construction method I just wanted to share here. I've used an homemade etched circuit board, which I mount on the top lid of a box. The circuit board includes the two matching, or rather transformers on the feed end, and two double pole double throw relays, which are used for direction switching. The circuit board was etched at home just using a felt pen for a marker and just drawing it on the board. Very quick and easy to self-etch. And on the board I've also included pads for the external contacts, which are attached to our number 8 stainless steel machine screws, as you can see here. And as I say, mostly what I wanted to share was my mounting method. The enclosure boxes are a Hammond box. I don't know what they are. They're maybe 4 inches long and 2 inches wide. Traditionally, most people will tend to mount inside the box, but this is, I find, terribly awkward compared to using this method, where I've taken the machine screws and basically just drilled out holes in the lid, and then this is mounted on here. Very easy to access, very quick. And then here's the other box showing the finished mount. I'll often drill a hole in the bottom for drainage. Then in the field, another nut on the top with some spade bolts make the attachments. I've chosen an ugly approach of just putting white out on the box rather than labels, since in the field I find labels will sometimes peel off, and I'll use magic marker to note the outputs. In this case, this is the twin lead antenna itself. It needs to be marked because I'm phasing two-wire beverages, and polarity is extremely important in order to maintain my phase. This is the ground connection. This is the voltage connection for switching directions, plus 12 volts. And in this case, the output here, which is Cat5. The reflection transformer, I did the same thing. Etched a very small board, very easy to do. Mounted the reflection transformer on the board. In this case, I'm using a smaller Hammond box. Bolted the board to the lid. Very quick and easy. And ready to be deployed in the field.